Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing these day in my life, week in my life content, and I've never really done one, especially long form here on YouTube. Today is Tuesday. I had hoped I was going to start yesterday, which was a Monday, but I ended up not doing what I had thought I was going to do with my hair. Although I may still just include some clips of what my hair looked like yesterday being Monday. I had my hair in a protective style for majority of the week and I was going to loosen the hair and shoot some content, but I didn't do that. I ended up using this wig to shoot the content, and for me that's okay. One thing that I've learned as a content creator, especially a hair content creator, is that things will not always go as planned. So I always have a backup plan for my hair in case I end up not shooting the content I plan to shoot initially, just so that the entire video starts from Monday through to Sunday. This is just me doing a little intro before I get started on my hair. I'm gonna get started on my hair now. The point of making this video is to show you guys that most times, no matter how much you plan or no matter how much you think there are things that you want to do, you may end up not doing all of those things. So for this week in my natural hair, I had a lot of things that I was going to do with my hair, a lot of styles that I was going to shoot throughout the week. But I ended up shooting majority of the content that I had planned out on Tuesday. I just changed my hair here or there and shot all the content, and that meant that I wasn't going to touch my hair for the rest of the week. So this is basically the most realistic week in my natural hair you're going to watch. By the end of the week, my hair was back in the bun and I just wore scrunchies from about Wednesday till Sunday. I didn't touch my hair anymore. And that's usually how it is for me. Sometimes when I have content to create, I will just batch create one day of the week and have my hair back in the protective style. And I feel like for me, this is sometimes a problem because I most times need to shoot content spontaneously. But because my hair is in that protective style, I just tell myself I'm not going to take down this protective style until I have a number of contents that I can shoot on one day of the week. So that's it. I feel like this is just a very okay thing. It's not every time that you want to take down your hair and shoot multiple content on different days of the week. So for me, that's very okay. I'll definitely do another week in my natural hair. Hopefully, then I will have more activities to do, or I will have, more places to go where I need to wear my hair. Another thing is I generally don't really wear my hair out. It's mostly in a protective style, which I can rock out because I don't really have the problem of feeling insecure about my hair. And people just like my hair the way that it is, no matter how I wear it. So whenever I step out with my natural hair, people are always complimenting me. And that does not really encourage me to wear my hair out. That's just it for me, guys. But I'm going to definitely try and do another week in my natural hair. Hopefully it's way longer and I have more things to add to the video, even if I have to include a wash day. I also didn't wash my hair this week, so there was really nothing that I did with my hair. I didn't do any treatment, I didn't do anything special. That was it. Like I said, I'm gonna try and shoot another week in my hair where I do a lot more, fingers crossed and hopefully. But that's it for this one. I ended up shooting all of the content I wanted to shoot with these bantu knots. All the content came out well. I stepped out the next day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The only day I didn't step out for the week was the Sunday, and even then I had my hair in the same twist that made these bantu knots, and for me that's perfectly fine. If I end up not doing things with my hair, it's something I'm still okay with. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope I've not disappointed anybody who had expectations of seeing me do so much with my natural hair. Hopefully next time. So here I was just trying to try on a few of my wigs from my brand, and I did all of that with the twist under these wigs. And the next day I went to the gym. So this is the hair I was talking about. My hair remained in this twist and I just put a scrunchie over that and I was good. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.